In this quick video, I'll show you how to add link in Instagram bio. First, make sure you have the link you want to add to your Instagram profile. In my case, I've got mine right here. You can either hold your finger on it and copy it, or just type it in manually, whichever works best for you. Once you got your link, then open Instagram on your mobile. Once you are in, then tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner, and then click on the Edit Profile option near to the profile picture. Now, here's something you should know. If you paste your link directly into the text area of your bio, it won't be clickable. It'll just appear as plain text. To make it clickable, you need to add it in the links section. Simply click on the links option, and then tap Add Eternal Link at the top. Here, paste the URL you copied earlier, or type it in manually if it's short and simple. You can also give your link a title. For example, I'll name mine Hello. Once you're done, tap Done in the top right corner, and after some loading, it will be added. You can even add multiple links if you want, which is a pretty cool feature. Then, go back on the Edit Profile page. Once you're there, and just like that, your clickable link is now live in your Instagram bio. When someone taps it, they'll be taken straight to your chosen web page. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.